Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with Waec Biology Past Question 2019 and we'll be working on question 31. The complex relationship between the members of a community and their physical environment is known as A. Commensalism, B. Symbiosis, C. Saprophytism, and D. Ecology. Now, what is commensalism? Now, commensalism is a feeding relationship where one organism gains and the other organism is unaffected. Now that's commensalism. Now symbiosis is also a type of feeding relationship where both organisms gain from each other. Now saprophytism is a kind of feeding relationship where only one organism gains and the other organism is affected negatively. Now in saprophytism, the other organism is affected negatively. One organism is gaining at the expense of another organism. Now ecology here is what? A complex relationship between members of a community and their environment. So it's a complex relationship between members of community and their environment. So community members and their environment. So according to this, our answer to this particular question is D. Ecology. Ecology is the right answer. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe for more videos.